Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 10 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 maths. Click on view all lessons and find the chapter that is trigonometry. So here is the list of the lessons we are going to cover today. They are trigonometric ratios, sine, cos and tan. Then trigonometric ratios, cosecant, secant, and cot. Then trigonometric ratios in similar right angle triangles. Got it? Okay, let's start with the first topic, that is trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, and tan. Okay, before starting the lesson, please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important lessons, the important topics, because this is the very important chapter. Got it? So let's start with trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, and tan. The lesson name is trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, and tan. Got it? Okay, just listen to me carefully and please use your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important explanation that I'm writing on the board. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to explain the right angle triangles. Then I can explain the trigonometric ratios with the right angle. Got it? Let's start with the right angle triangle. Okay, here is the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means you have one of the angle that must equal 90 degrees. Got it? That is the angle that is 90 degree. Okay, so the longest side, this is always the longest side in a triangle and it is the hypotenuse. Got it? You can represent it with a C because this is angle C, this is angle B, and this is angle A. So the longest side length must be the hypotenuse. Got it? The other one, with one of them is the base and one of them is the opposite. So here is the B and here is the A. This is angle A, angle B, angle C, and the one that are with represented with the small alphabetic letters, they are the sides. Got it? Side A, side B, and side C. Got it? Okay, so trigonometric ratios are used when you have to find the angles in a triangle. Got it? You are given with just one angle, that is 90 degree. If you are given with a side, you can find the angle B, angle A as well. Got it? Let's suppose you have to find angle A. Got it? Okay, now you have two connected sides with angle A. One of them is the one that is base, and one of them that is the hypotenuse. These are the two sides connected with angle A. Got it? So whenever you have any angle A, what you have to do? Okay, you can find angle A. You have two of the ways to. You can find either sine of angle A and either cos of angle A, and you can also use tangent of the angle A. Okay, let's just not specific to the any angle. If you have to find the angle of sine of any angle, for example, got it? You have to find the angle of sine of angle A. Got it? You can find the sine of angle A, that would be, according to angle A, it would be the opposite. Got it? That is opposite side would be opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Got it? That is the sine of angle A. Opposite is A and hypotenuse is C. Got it? Let's use an example. The one that is on the tutorial, I'm going to use this one. 39, 80, and 89. Because I want to explain an example and the general side by side. X, Y, and Z. It is upside down triangle. I am drawing X, Y, and Z. Okay, the X, Y are 39, YZ is 80, and XZ is 89. Okay, this is the triangle. So, okay, this is the right angle triangle. Okay, I'm going to name the angles like A, B, and C because I don't want you to be confused. It would be the same angles like the A, C, and B. Okay, now for example, you have to find the sine of angle A. Got it? That is angle A. You have to find sine of angle A. So the opposite is this one, 80. You are given all three sides. Got it? 80 and divided by the hypotenuse, that is 89. Got it? Just do 80 divided by 89. 80 divided by 89, it would be 0.89. You have to find angle A. Move that sign to the other side. It would be then sine inverse 0.8. Let me just add another step. Sine angle A is 0.89. You have to find the angle A. It would be then sine inverse of 0.89. Got it? I suppose you know how to find sine inverse. Just use the shift sign and 0.89. It will equal 62.87 degrees. Got it? So that means the angle A is 62.87 degrees. Got it? That would be sine of angle A. You can find the same angle using the cosine of angle A. Let me just explain how. Okay, wait. You can find the same angle with the cosine and the angle would be same. Let me explain how. The cosine of angle A is, okay, the angle is same. Just the ratio is different. Got it? It would be cosine of angle A. Okay, so the cosine of angle A is from, look at this triangle. It would be the base divided by the hypotenuse. Got it? So is with cos of angle A, it would be the base and the hypotenuse. So base is 39 over 89. So cos of angle A is 39 divided by 89. Got it? Let's just calculate 39 by 89. It would be cos of angle A is 0.43 and angle A is cos inverse of 0.43. Got it? Let's just calculate the cos inverse. Wait, let me just do cos inverse of 0.43. It would be, okay, let's just find the angle B. Got it? So angle B is, you can use the sine of angle B and cos of angle B as well. Got it? Because you are given all three sides, so you can use any of the sides. Let's just find angle B. So angle A is, but you don't need to find angle B this way. You can, because you have two of the angles and we know that the sum of all the angles of triangle must be angle A plus angle B plus angle C must 180 degrees. Got it? Just add angle A. Angle A is in angle A is 62.87. Angle B is, you have to find angle B and angle C is 90 degrees. So add the two angles on the same side. That would be then 90 plus 60, 90 plus 62.7. It is 152. So subtract 152 to the other side. So it would be angle B equals 180 minus 152.7. 180 minus 152.7, it would be 7.3. That means angle B is 27.3 degrees. Got it? Okay, so the triangle I'm explaining is you have to find, okay, let's just talk about trigonometric ratios. C, A, B, this is C, this is A, this is B, this is the hypotenuse, this is the opposite, and this is the base. Got it? So sine of angle A is opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Cos is base divided by the hypotenuse, and tangent is the sine divided by the cos. Got it? So it would be opposite divided by the base. Got it? Okay, let's start with the examples. Then that would be okay. And we're talking about the cosecant is always the opposite of the reciprocal of the sine. Cosecant angle A is the reciprocal of the angle A. So it would be then hypotenuse divided by the opposite. Got it? And secant is the reciprocal of the cos. So it would be then hypotenuse divided by the base. And cot is the reciprocal of the tan. So it would be base divided by the hypotenuse. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test questions. Let's do some of the practice questions. Let's start with the test questions. Okay, here is a triangle. You have to find cos of angle S. I'm going to draw the triangle. It would be like this. Okay, let me draw the triangle. It would be R, Q, and S. It would be R, Q, and S. Okay. Uh, QR is 35. RS is 37 and 12. 37 and 12. Okay, we have to find what we have to find. Angle S. Okay, we have to find cos of angle S. Got it? Okay, so here is angle S. Got it? So angle S must be, okay, you can say it would be the adjacent. Got it? Opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. These are the terms. Okay, so cos of angle S is adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. Got it? Adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. So adjacent is 12 and hypotenuse is 37. So cos of angle S is 12 divided by 37. Got it? You don't have to calculate the values, just cos of S you have to calculate. It'd be adjacent divided by hypotenuse, so it would be 12 divided by 37. Got it? So select the correct option and then click on the button. It would be 12 over 37. Okay, for the next one, you have to find cos of angle E. So the cos of angle E would be the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. Got it? Okay, here is the triangle E, D, and F. It is 8, it is 15, and it is 12. 12. Okay, so cos of angle E is, cos is always adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. Got it? So according to angle E, the adjacent is the one that has the, that is the straight line connected. So according to E, this is the adjacent. Got it? And this hypotenuse is same from all the sides. Hypotenuse is 7. So it would be 8 divided by 17. Got it? Adjacent and the opposite is different for the other two angles other than the right angle. Got it? So it would be then 8 over 17. So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is find the sine of angle E. Okay, the next one is you have to find the sine of angle E. C, E, and D. It is 65, it is 72, and it is 97. You have to find the sine of angle E. Okay, the sine is always opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Got it? So according to angle E, the opposite must be the side that is opposite to E. So it is the opposite. Got it? It would be then 72 divided by 97. Adjacent is the one that is connected with the angle, and opposite is the one that is opposite at the opposite of the angle. It is opposite, it is adjacent to angle E, and it is the hypotenuse. Got it? If you talk about angle C, according to angle C, it would be the adjacent and it would be the opposite. Got it? So it would be 72 over 97. Okay, just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Cos of angle X. Okay, let me draw the triangle. It would be like this. You can rotate the triangle. That would be then easy to understand the triangle. Got it? But name these same sides. Got it? Like right angle is on angle V. Yes, and you have this one is X and this one have. Rotate the angle but name the angles like in the question. Vx is 33, it is 56, and it is Wx is 65. Okay, you have to find the cos of angle X. So cos of angle X would be the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. Got it? So adjacent divided by, according to X, the connected side is always the adjacent. So it is the adjacent. It would be 33 divided by 65. Hypotenuse is always same for all the sides. Got it? So it would be then sine of any angle is that means sine of any of the angle is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Then cos of any angle is adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. And then tan of any angle must equals opposite divided by the adjacent. Got it, everyone? These are the sine, cos, and tan trigonometric ratios. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the next topic, that is trigonometric ratios, cosecant, secant, and cot. Okay, let me write down the lesson name, that is trigonometric ratios, secant, secant, and cot. Okay, so cosecant is the opposite of the cosecant is the reciprocal of the sine. Cosecant is the reciprocal of the sine. It would be then sine of any angle is Sine of any angle is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Okay, sine is opposite divided by hypotenuse. That means cosecant is hypotenuse divided by the opposite. Got it? Cos of any angle is adjacent divided by the hypotenuse, and secant would be hypotenuse divided by the adjacent. Got it? Then tan of the any angle is opposite divided by adjacent. So it would be adjacent divided by the opposite. Oh, sorry, cot is the weight. Okay, it is the hypotenuse divided by the adjacent. And tan, sorry, it would be cot. No, I forgot to write the cot. Okay, so cot x would be the adjacent divided by the opposite. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the example. Okay, here is the trigonometric ratios cosecant, secant, and cot. Okay, let's with the test questions. Okay, the first one is we have to find the secant of angle D. Got it? The triangle is E, D, and F. They are 15, 17, and 8. 15, 17, and 8, and we have to find secant of angle D. Got it? Okay, here is angle D, this one. So secant would be hypotenuse divided by the adjacent. Got it? So this is the hypotenuse, and adjacent is the one that is connected to the angle. Got it? That would be 8. It would be 17 divided by 8. Got it? You can find both the ways. Either find cosine cos x and the reciprocal of the cos x, or either just use the secant x, put the hypotenuse and divide it by the adjacent. So it would be 17 over 8. Got it, everyone? So the correct option is 17 divided by 8. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you have to find secant of angle x, angle F. G, H, and F it would be. Okay, it would be the angle triangle is G, H, and F. G, H, and F, and the side lengths are 55, 73, and 48. 55, 73, and 48. And what we have to find, I think, secant of angle F. Okay, we have to find the secant of angle F. So the secant of angle F would be hypotenuse divided by the adjacent. So hypotenuse is same, that would be 73, and adjacent is the side that is connected to the angle F. It would be 48. So it would be then 73 over 48. Got it? So the secant of angle F is 73 divided by 48. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is we have to find the secant of angle Z. So secant of angle Z is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. It would be secant of angle Z is hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Hypotenuse is 89 and adjacent according to angle Z is 39. It would be 89 over 39. Got it? Hypotenuse is 89, but the adjacent according to angle Z is the one that is connected to angle Z, so it would be 39. So it would be 89 over 39. Got it? Okay, now again the secant of angle E. So the secant of angle E is the adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Got it? Secant is hypotenuse divided by the adjacent. Got it? So hypotenuse is 53 and according to angle E, adjacent is 28. So 53 over 28. Got it? Just select the correct option. Secant of angle E is hypotenuse divided by adjacent. So hypotenuse is the same for all the angles. It would be 53. And adjacent is the line. Adjacent is the side that is connected to the angle. So according to angle E, it would be 28. So it is 53 over 28. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is now you have to find the cosecant of angle W. Got it? So cosecant of angle W would be hypotenuse divided by the opposite. Got it? So angle W. Hypotenuse is 65. Got it? And the opposite according to W is this one, 56. Got it? That is the adjacent and that would be the opposite. So it would be 65 over 56. Got it? It would be 65 over 56. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, now you have to find the cot of angle I. Got it? So cot of angle I is angle I. So the cot of angle I is opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Sorry, adjacent divided by the opposite. Okay, so angle according to angle I, adjacent is 36 and opposite is 77. So it would be 36 over 77. Got it? If you have any question, please write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions if you have any. Got it? It would be 36 over 77. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is cosecant of angle G. Got it? So cosecant of angle G is hypotenuse divided by the opposite. Got it? So hypotenuse according to angle G, hypotenuse is same, it would be 97. And opposite is the side that is opposite to G, it would be 97 over 72. Got it? It would be 97 over 72. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. Got it? So the next topic is trigonometric ratios in similar right triangles. Got it? Let me write down the lesson name on the board. It would be the trigonometric ratio in similar right triangle. Okay, let's start with the lesson that is trigonometric ratios in the similar right triangles. Got it? Okay, so let's start with the lesson. Okay, now you are given with two of the similar triangles. You have to find the angle of the similar triangles. Got it? Like for the one that is given. find the tangent of angle X. Got it? So they are the similar triangles. Got it? Okay. So then these sides are similar. YZ is similar to VW, XZ is similar to VU, and YXY is similar to UW. Got it? You have to find the tangent of angle X. So according to the angle X, tangent would be opposite divided by the hypotenuse. So opposite is YZ and hypotenuse is XY. Got it? So then YZ, they are similar triangles. You have to use the values from the this one. It would be then 72 divided by the 65. Got it? So calculate the value. It would be, let's start with the examples. I'll do it on board, then that'll be easy for you. Okay, let's start with the test. Okay. Okay, you have to find the sine of angle U, and the triangles are, okay, I am going to rotate the triangles. Got it? So the first triangle is, wait, it would be VU and it would be W. Got it? Okay, the second one is SR, and here is the angle T. Now you can see the similar sides. Got it? Okay, you can see VW is corresponding to S and T. They are the same sides, this one and this one. So it is same as ST. Then UW is corresponding to RT, and then UVU is, or actually you can say congruent to SR. Got it? You have to find the cos of angle U. So cos of angle U is opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Got it? So according to this, if this is the angle U, let me write down the side lengths. It is 45, it is 53, and it is 28. So according to this angle, it would be opposite is then 45 and hypotenuse is then 53. It would be 45 divided by 53. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the okay button. What you have to do, both the triangles are similar. Got it? So you have to find use the angle name from this, but the values from this triangle. Got it? It would be 53 over 45 over 53. Got it? Okay, the next one is you have to find the cos of angle D. Okay, where is angle D? Okay, according to this angle, cos is the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. So angle, according to angle D, this is the adjacent. It would be 55 and hypotenuse is 73. It would be 55 over 73. Got it, everyone? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. So it would be 55 over 73. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is sine of angle G. So sine of angle G is opposite divided by the hypotenuse. So according to angle G, the opposite is this one. So it would be 4 and hypotenuse is 5. So it would be 4 over 5. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is tangent of angle Q. So the tangent of angle Q is opposite divided by the adjacent. So opposite is 72 divided by the adjacent is 65. It would be 72 over 65. Got it? It would be 72 over 65. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is cos of angle H. So opposite divided by the cos is adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. So according to H, adjacent is 21 and hypotenuse is 29. It would be 21 over 29. Got it? Okay, the next one is sine of angle X. It would be the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. So opposite is 65 divided by the 97. It would be 65 over 97. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is the tangent of angle R. Okay, so the tangent is opposite divided by tangent is opposite divided by the adjacent. Got it? So according to angle R, opposite is 77 and adjacent is 36. It would be 77 divided by 36. Got it? So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you have to find the tangent of angle A. So the tangent of angle A is opposite divided by the adjacent. So according to angle A, opposite is 28 and adjacent is 35. So it would be 28 over 35. Hmm? 28 over 45. Here it is 45. So it would be 28 over 45. Got it, everyone? If you have any question, please ask. I'm here to help you. Just write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions. And if you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So we are working on grade we're working on grade 10 maths. The chapter name is trigonometry. Here is the list of the lessons we have covered today. They are trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, and tan. Trigonometric ratios, cosecant, secant, and cot. Trigonometric ratios in similar right triangles. So if you have any question or any problem, please listen in the chat box. I'm waiting for the questions from your side. Your participation is highly appreciated. Please ask any questions if you have any. Okay, so that's all for today. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the topics we did today. Got it? If you need more help with any of the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it, everyone? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.